Welcome back, JDC Family. My name is Jay. This is Amanda.
Hey.
And this is my Diecast Creations channel. And you guys rocked the Free the Ferraris happy birthday celebration for Amanda's birthday. It's 1 month to the day, and there are still cars rolling in. So I want to do the wrap-up video, and there's one more car in the mail. And when that comes in, we'll do a box unboxing for that. But in the meantime, we have 3 cars here that came in, and I want to get the video going. So you want to see what people sent you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna open them up.
Mhm.
Okay. So the first one we have is from Oppa's Diecast Resurrection. Oppa sent this out. I sent him a decal. There was no note. Guys, I opened the boxes and everything already just so that it's easier on Amanda. She doesn't have to worry about cutting anything open or...
Yeah, you blindsided me last video.
I'm sorry. I wasn't prepared.
Did you look at these yet?
I did not.
Okay.
I've seen the videos.
Oh, I did watch the videos of the car.
You watched this one. I think you watched this one.
Did I?
Yeah, because he wasn't sending it out at first. And, ooh. And then he was like, tell Jay to send me another decal.
Oh, yeah. I remember this.
Because the first one got lost when I sent it out.
That's cool. Yeah.
Jinx.
Haha. I'd say you owe me a beer, but we don't drink beer.
I mean, this is true.
That's
Tis
cool.
true. That is cool. It's like a candy spectra flame.
The glass is green.
Red, maroon. The glass is green.
Yeah.
That means the original glass was green. Still really cool though. He's got the decals on there, the Ferraris.
Yeah.
And when the light hits it, it like changes kind of. It's got like a metallic in there.
So at first I thought it was red, but it looks like it's orange.
Yeah, could be.
That's nice. Thank you.
These guys are amazing with the paint.
Yeah.
I'm not even close to that with the paint.
I'm a sucker for wheels.
You like them?
Yeah, those are pretty sweet.
Sweet.
Mhm.
Awesome. That's from Oppa's Diecast Resurrections. I believe that's the full name of his channel. Awesome, Oppa. Thank you for sending that out.
Thanks, Oppa.
Next, we're gonna save the farthest one for last. This comes from Mark over at Dotson Man Diecast. Dotson Man, all the way from Washington.
Happy B-Day, Jay's girl. Appreciate you, bro. God bless you and keep being an incredible person. Thanks for the raffle custom. Mark.
You got it, brother. I hope it brings in a lot of money. If you guys don't know what we're talking about with that, scroll back about 3 weeks, I think. 64 Chevelle Dragster, Urban Outlaw Dragster. I sent out to Mark at Dotson Man Diecast. It's going to be raffled off on Instagram, and all the proceeds go to the Seattle Children's Hospital. So if you want to participate in that, follow Hot Wheels for Hope on Instagram, and when he posts it up, you can jump in on the raffle.
What color was that car?
Blue and black. It was blue with the Urban Outlaw, and then I put black on the top, and then I sent it out, and the wheelie bars fell off. But it's got the drag wheels on it and all detailed out and stuff. A really nice car. I didn't even want to send it out, but I did. So this is from Mark.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. I could see myself in it.
You can see yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, everybody else can see you too?
I don't know. Maybe I was making a funny face.
What are you going to do? So he's gotten really good at polishing.
Is this the same as one of the ones that you just did?
No, this is a F50, I believe.
Because it opens.
It does open. That's the same one that Mustang Hunter did.
Okay.
Mustang Hunter, that blue one. The
This
blue
is
one
really
with the opening
cool.
back. And somebody else. CJD 555 did one, but I think it's a Matchbox because it doesn't open.
I'm like a little kid when they have moving parts. This is really shiny.
Oh, that might be the F40 actually, because Andrew did an F50, and it's a different car, I'm pretty sure.
This is really pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, he did a couple, were they Porsches or Supras or something? I can't remember. RX-7s. RX-7s. He had them all like mirror shine.
Yeah, look at that.
It's crazy.
It's really nice.
Definitely unique. And not another Ferrari like that in the world.
That's for sure.
Awesome, Mark.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Now this package here came all the way across the world, across the Pacific Ocean, across the United States, from Australia, from Peter at PB's Retro Restorations. Pretty sure I got that right. PB's Resto Restorations. That's a tongue twister. But Peter, you can go ahead and read it.
I was looking to see if it had the name on here.
Oh, no, probably not.
Hi, Amanda and Jason. Sorry I didn't get to your Ferrari. Sorry I didn't get your Ferrari to you in time for your actual birthday. Do not be sorry at all.
Don't be sorry, brother.
But I guess you can stretch it out for longer. Yeah, it's been like the birthday month. All the best from Brisbane, Australia. PB.
Awesome. And I'm not gonna spoil anything. When you watch Peter's video, you'll see what he went through with this car.
I still have videos to watch.
Yeah. Life is busy right now, and everybody understands that. It's summertime. Guys, I've slowed down on the videos, because the racetrack is jumping and
Yeah, I'm exhausted.
we got things going on, We don't like to sit in the house in the summer. We get out and do stuff, and, it is what it is, But that doesn't take anything away from Frida Ferraris. You seen it? You peeked?
I peeked at the color. you were talking.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. Oh. This is an oldie.
Yep.
Wow, this is...
I don't know if that's the
Similar.
same car. Let me see.
Wow. That's so clean.
This is the one that Lee from Time Rider sent. And it might be the same car. This is an original Matchbox.
Yeah.
Is it the same
This
car?
says Matchbox, Ferrari, Berlinetta.
Yep.
Made in England.
Yep. So now you have
Super
two
fast.
original Matchbox Ferraris.
These are like the oldest things that I own.
Yeah. All the way from Australia.
This is crazy. You guys are crazy.
And I'll let Peter tell you the story when you watch the video, but it was pretty insane what he went through. Getting this car and then trying to restore it, and
So I'm feeling some type of way that there was like somebody went through something
Don't feel any
to
type
make
of way.
me a car.
Yeah, well, because he wants to, you know. But he got in a bidding war on eBay.
Oh no. Oh.
Yeah. It's okay.
That's so cool.
I'll repay Peter one day.
Peter, thank you.
No, he told me not to, but
I mean, I got a few cars that I want to paint that might make their way over an ocean. That's great.
Awesome.
That was like perfect way to wrap it up.
Yeah, and there's still one more out there. There's still one more out there, and there's a few people still doing things for you. Not necessarily cars, but, you know, I had a few people reach out and say that, you know, they wanted to make you something.
So I came home from work today. I changed out of my work clothes. You didn't tell me we were doing this.
No.
I'm wearing the shirt, B. B, I'm wearing the shirt.
Awesome.
That was great.
You like them?
Yeah.
Talk about a diverse group, though.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thank you guys so much for sending these out and wishing Amanda a happy birthday and participating in the build-off. There's still one more car on the way in the mail from Cole at Kuda's Diecast Customs. But he said we worked out a trade about a month or two ago, and I told him to hold off on sending anything until he sent the car out. This way you didn't have to pay for 2 packages. So we'll make a whole another video as an unboxing from Cole. And I'll make sure to, you know, see his video and add his car into the wrap-up video.
You got some work to do.
I got work to do. So it's time to get back on the grind. We're going to wrap up the Frida Ferraris. I'll have this thing done in the next day or two. So stay tuned. Make sure the bell notification is clicked on. All. You can hit the bell, but you got to click all to make sure that you get all my my posts when I put up videos. And thanks again to everybody who participated in the Frida Ferraris build off. We're over 40 builders. I got to do a tally to make sure like what the final number is. But over 40 builders participated, and upwards of 40 cars got sent in from all over the world, which is amazing.
Yeah,
Truly
because
amazing.
Some of you guys sent me more than one car.
Yeah. Yep. So she's smiling ear to ear, you know.
I shed a few tears throughout this.
Yep.
I did.
Yep.
I got a little emotional watching some of the build videos. It's just so special.
It doesn't.
You guys rock.
Yeah. Absolutely. This is the best community out there, and if there was any question about that, you guys definitely proved it in this build off for Amanda's birthday. So it's impossible to pay you all back, but my way of doing that is going to be making this little wrap up video to give everybody a little bit of a time to shine, and we'll see all the Ferraris together at the end of it, right? So you got anything else?
Just a big thank you.
Awesome. That's going to be it for today, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.